Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Epic Games not launching properly. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up your task manager and make sure you do not run any tasks related to Epic Games, right? And after you do that and there is no task here, then you need to go to this little arrow up button and make sure that also there is no Epic Games here. And once you do that, then the first thing what you can do here is to right click on your Epic Games shortcut, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure that this setup run this program as administrator, right? And try to go to the app, and if it's not working, then you just need to press Windows and R key and then go %sign app data %sign, go for it, and then go to app data local Epic Games and basically delete all the things here in Epic Games and also in Epic Games Launcher as well, right? And that should fix the problem. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.